here you can see that we have another unboxing, and it has a lot of a wide assortment of cubes here today. So today we're going to be just taking a look at 4 of them. These 2 I'm going to be saving for a later video, including this one. This one I'm also saving for a later video. But these 4 right here is what we're going to be looking at. Why don't we start off with this puzzle right here. Alright, so right here it actually says 10 if you see if you can see it. So this is actually the $10 random cube from the Cubicle. But here we go. So it is a 3x3. Not sure what 3x3 this is though. Does it say anything on the receipt? So to me right now this kind of looks like a Tanglong. I'm not really sure though. You can take a look inside. Yeah, I'm not really sure what a Tanglong actually looks like. So it's gonna be a guess that this is a Tanglong. Alright, so I just did some research on what the pieces look like on this puzzle, and it's actually not a Tanglong. So according to the way these pieces are shaped, it's actually the Moyu Hualong. And I have never heard of this puzzle before, so this is pretty cool. It actually turns really well too. And kind of like a GTS out of the box, I feel like. It's very controllable and steady. I think I might be doing a review on this. So yeah, this is a pretty fun cube. So let's move on to the other puzzles. Alright, so next up here, it looks like we have the Gem 3x3. So this is part of kind of a new franchise in Shangshao where they come out with gem puzzles. I've actually tried this. One of my friends let me try it out. So let's go ahead and open this up, see how it is. There's a manual. Alright, so here it is. So looking at this right now, it's more of like a frosted surface. Oh, whoa. What is this? Oh man, this turns like super well. It's even better than the one my friend I tried from my friends. This is really good. Wow. So like fast and really stable too. Like it has a really frosted surface, and it kind of has it's like stickerless on the outside, but like the inside it's all black. It really gives it a really nice illusion sort of look to it. If you look at the pieces, it looks like you have a normal black piece right here, but then you have a cap design on top of it. So I want to go and check out that cap design. Yeah. Alright, so if you can see right there, you have this kind of push out. So if you were to just push this out, you can kind of just take that out, and then you have this edge. It's probably the same thing for the corner as well. See. Okay, so for the corner, the actual corner piece does not look like it comes off, but you can just take off these corner caps, and yeah. And core actually looks kind of normal, nothing too special about the core, but this is a very nice turning cube. I would really recommend this cube. This is really nice. Alright, so here we have a QJ Pyraminx. This is a tiled Pyraminx too, so it's actually not more of a speed-keeping Pyraminx. I actually bought this more of a collection purpose. To see how this would turn, honestly, I don't even think this would be competition legal, and even so, does not look like it's going to be a good turning one. But still, alright, so it has ball bearings. Oh, that is very clacky. Maybe you can hear that. Very clacky. But the tips seem very quiet though. So the actual turning right here is very clacky, and it's not too, kind of hard to turn sometimes. But I mean, I really only got this because the tiles, I don't think I really have a tiled puzzle in my collection. So I think this is the first tile puzzle that I have, unless you want to count the tiles on the X-Men Megaminx. Alright, so QJ Tile Pyraminx. Alright, so here, the last puzzle. This is, as you can see, it is sort of a floppy fidget spinner cube. So Key actually came out with this one, mass produced it, but it was $10. This one is $5, so it's half price and it's more of like a knockoff version. So see how it is. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be getting the other Key version, because I just kind of wanted to get this because it like shape shifts and it's kind of like a floppy cube and a fidget spinner at the same time, even though that trend is long gone by now. You can turn, it's pretty nice. See if shape shifts. Yeah, this is really cool. The shape shifting is really nice. I like the spinning. Oh. Alright, so looks like the spinning quality isn't that good. Yeah, it just keeps on bouncing. Maybe it's because like these right here are just like in kind of a concave sort of thing. Yeah, there we go. If you hold it down, it works a little better. Like if you hold it down like that, it works a little bit better. But other than that, it's okay, honestly. Why don't we go ahead and do like a solve on this? I think this actually might be even smaller than the Key one. I'm not really sure about that. I might have to check the dimensions. Getting a lockup right here. So I guess this is what you kind of expect from a knockoff puzzle, honestly. Oh, what is this? Oh, what was that? Something just popped off. Alright, so I fixed it. Looks like there's like some small pieces that just popped off that was helping to stabilize it. So I guess you kind of have to be careful when turning this puzzle. Alright, let me see what we did here. Alright, so let's see if we can get to the rest of the solve without it popping. Alright. So you have to carefully turn this, otherwise this is definitely gonna pop on you. So I'm not really sure about how I'm feeling about this right now. Okay, there we go. Alright, so solve that. That was really infuriating. I'm really thinking about if I should get the other Key one or this should be fine. But yeah, so the Key, not the Key, off-brand Rubik's Cube fidget spinner. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. The links to buy all of these puzzles will be in the description if you want to buy them. I would put both the Key and this off-brand one if you want it. I would recommend getting the Key for $5 more than what this was. The gem is awesome. It's like $4 I think, and it's absolutely worth it. The $10 random cube, if you want to try our luck, see what you get out of that. They also have the $3 random cube. This is a really cool unboxing, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!